Good day everyone, today I will show the plant that I use for bacterial O's. The purpose of bacterial O's test is to quickly and easily diagnose the bacterial wilt disease in plants by observing the presence of milky white bacterial O's exudate emerging from a cut stem when placed in water. Bacterial O's, a sign of bacterial disease, is a discharge or exudate composed primarily of bacterial cells, often appearing as a milky white or cloudy liquid. It can be observed on a plant surface, especially in lesion or after cutting infected stem. The disease that I detect is Ralstonia solanacearum, and the scientific name is Bacillus solanacearum. Brown rot of potato, and Moko disease of banana. 1 to 2 minutes. To avoid contamination or false result when dealing Ralstonia solanacearum, one must employ sterile techniques, collect samples carefully, include control samples, store samples and reagent properly, use high quality and non-expired reagents, dispose of waste materials correctly.